Make a great choice today with 2021 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, steel wheels, front disc rear drum brakes, tires front all season. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.